Hi besties, greetings and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, into this video we'll be talking about how to wash your hair properly. So into this video is going to be my hair routine, like my simple hair routine. If you wash your hair this way, your hair is going to grow very well. Guys, do you know that washing your head with water will help your hair to grow very well? Do you know about that? Yes. Like, you need water for your hair to grow. I know some persons, they don't like washing their hair. Yes, they'll be like, no, I don't like washing my hair. How do you expect your hair to grow if you don't like washing your hair? See, let me tell you, washing your hair is like moisturizing your hair. So it will also help your hair to grow very well, okay? So this is me checking the length of my hair. I am done. You know, I started first welting my hair. I started first washing my hair. First of all, I was trying to lose the hair, lose the weaving I did with the twins thing. So I first of all wash my hair. After I'm done washing it, the next thing I did was to apply my DIY hair treatment. Guys, if you haven't checked this hair treatment, if you haven't seen this video, you are missing a lot, because this is doing wonders on my hair. My hair is really growing, even the edges of my hair, like it is really growing. Okay, so I applied this. I massage it into my scalp, massage it, then also massage it on my hairlines, the edges of my hair. I massage it, then I washed it off. Okay, the next thing I did was to apply soap. I use a natural soap. You don't need all these two chemical soap. Okay, so I use the soap. I applied the soap on my hair, rub it all over my head, and also massage it. Then I went again with the soap again, because I need to make sure I get all the dirt out. Okay, so I washed it. I need to make sure I wash my hair very thoroughly. Okay, so after I'm done, I also washed it off. I now went with this, like this hair treatment. I now went with this. I applied this again, and I make sure I applied it very well. I massaged it into my scalp. I massaged it very well. Okay, I gently applied it. So this time around I didn't wash it off. Okay, I wash it off, but not immediately. So after I'm done, I make sure I massage it very well. Then I got something and covered my hair. So after you are done, please do not wash it off immediately. Okay, you need to get something and cover your hair. You can use a hair cap, wig cap. You can use hair cap, you can use wig cap, you can use anything. So this is me. I waited for 30 minutes. Okay, so after 30 minutes, this treatment I applied have settled down. It have also softened my hair. It did a lot of things on my hair. So now I went ahead and washed it off. Okay, first, before I washed it off, I loosed my hair. This twins thing, I loosed it. So this is me losing it. Okay, I was losing it. See, do you know, guys, after you are done applying your hair treatment, please try and twist your hair. Okay, so when I finished losing it, I now went ahead and washed it. Now I am done washing it. I was just cleaning the hair. Please make sure you are also gentle. Okay, do not be so hard on your hair so that it will not break. Okay, so I went ahead and cleaned my head. After I'm done cleaning the head, I tried combing the hair. Guys, you need to see my hair. Like, this DIY hair treatment I'm doing, like I'm trying on my hair, they are really working. Please make sure you check out my videos. I have a lot of DIY products, like a lot of DIY, a lot of recipes, a lot of remedies that you apply on your hair. If you want to grow longer hair, you want thicker full, you want this full hair, you want a fuller hair, you want a thick hair, you want to grow your hair, you want to grow the edges of your hair, you also want dark hair. Make sure you try out these recipes, because they are very effective. Okay, not only me, a lot of my cousins, some of my friends, my aunties are also using it, and the thing is working so well for them. Okay, so I'm done combing my hair. Now I took a supplement. This is a supplement. This is omega-3. Okay, so I took it. I like taking it. Supplement is very good. It will help you, it will help your skin and also help your hair to grow. See, let me tell you, in as much as your skin needs supplements, that's how your hair also needs supplement. Okay, so I twist the hair. I was like, no, I'm not going to leave this hair like this because I applied a hair treatment on it. So I was like, let me just twist the hair anyhow. Let me just make it, because I applied the hair treatment, so that the hair will keep growing, you know. So after I'm done, I just said, oh, let me apply a powder on my face. I applied my white powder on my face. See guys, let me tell you, like I said before, after you are done applying a hair treatment on your hair, make sure you twist it. Okay, make sure you make the hair just something simple, not too hard. Okay, something to, if you want to use rope, you can use rope. If you want to twist it like that, you can. If you want to braid it, you can also do that. Okay, so after that, just let me just